Unlock the power of realistic AI image generation with Higgsfield and transform your visual ideas into stunning, authentic visuals. First, let's dive into Higgsfield's core functionality: generating diverse, high-quality images. Begin by crafting a descriptive text prompt. Think about the subject, the style, and the overall mood you want to achieve. For instance, to generate a natural landscape, you might simply type lush, green forest with dappled sunlight. Higgsfield interprets your prompt and generates a corresponding image. Now, let's explore how to introduce variety. Most AI generators, including Higgsfield, offer ways to tweak the output. Look for options that allow you to influence the artistic style. You could try adding keywords like photorealistic, cinematic lighting, or even specify an artist's style, such as in the style of Ansel Adams. Notice how subtle changes in your prompt or style settings can lead to dramatically different, yet equally realistic results. Beyond style, consider the context of your image. If you need an image for a specific platform, like social media or a website banner, adjust the aspect ratio and resolution accordingly. For marketing materials, you might want to focus on capturing a specific product or service. Try prompts like a sleek, modern smartphone resting on a textured wooden desk. And for artistic expression, let your imagination run wild. Experiment with abstract concepts or surreal scenarios. Try a prompt like floating islands in a serene, twilight sky with luminous flora. Higgsfield empowers you to explore the full spectrum of visual possibilities, from authentic portrayals of everyday scenes to the most fantastical creations. With the right prompts and exploration, you can harness Higgsfield to generate visuals that are not only realistic but also uniquely yours, perfect for any project.